Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Lawade. Today is 22nd of June 2022 and the topic for the today's video is HTML tags. So this is my first video or original video in this topic. So let us begin with HTML tags. So HTML tags are like keyword which defines that how web browser will format and display the content. With the help of tags, our web browser can distinguish between an HTML content and a simple content. HTML tags contain three main parts, that is opening tag, content and a closing tag. But some HTML tags are unclosed tags. When a web browser reads an HTML document, browser reads it from top to bottom and left to right. HTML tags are used to create HTML document and render their properties. Each HTML tags have different properties. An HTML file must have some essential tag so that web browser can differentiate between a simple tag and HTML text. We can use as many tags as we want as per our code requirement. All HTML tags must enclose within the angular open and close angular brackets. Then even every tag in HTML perform different tasks. Then if we have use an open tag, then we must use a close tag by backslash, except some tags. Now the syntax for the tags are in angular bracket it is tag, then content, and then after that in angular bracket tag with backslash. So some we will see some unclosed HTML tag. So the some unclosed HTML tags are not closed, that is for example BR and HR. So BR tag stand for break line, it breaks the line of the code, and HR tag stand for the horizontal rule. This tag is used to put a line across the web page. Now the next is HTML meta tag. So the doc type, title, link, meta and style. Then HTML text tag. So in angular bracket all the tags are all angular bracket P, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, then strong, EM, ABBR, acronym, address, video, then block code, then Q, then code, then INS, then DEL, then DFN, then KBD, PID, SAMP, VAR and BR. Now the next is HTML link tag. So in angular bracket A, then and in angular bracket base. Now the next is HTML image and object tag. So the image in angular bracket image, then area, map, PARAM, param and object. Now the next is HTML list tag. So in angular bracket UL, OL, LI, DL, DT and DD. Then the next is HTML table tag. So the table, TR, TD, TH, Tbody, Thead, Tfoot, then call group and caption. Now the next is HTML form tag. So the form, input, then text area, select, option, opt group, button, label, field set and legend. Now the next is HTML scripting tag. So the script and no script. Now we will see some tag name and its description. The first is doc not equal to doc type. So this tag is used to specify the version of HTML. Then in angular bracket exclamatory mark and two hyphens. This is used to apply comment in an HTML document. Then in angular bracket A, it is termed as anchor tag and it creates a hyperlink or a link. Then in angular bracket acronym, which defines the acronym for a word that is not supported in HTML5. Then in angular bracket address, it defines the author's contact information of the HTML article. Then in angular bracket area, which defines the area of a image map. Then in angular bracket article, which defines the self-content content. And then in angular bracket aside, which defines the content aside from main content, mainly represent as sidebar. Then the next is audio in angular bracket audio, which is used to embedded sound content in HTML document. Now the next is in angular bracket B, which is used to make a text bold. In angular bracket base, this tag defines the base URL for all related URL within the document. Then base font, in Angular bracket based font. This tag is used to set a default font size and color for all elements of document, but it is not supported in HTML5. Then the next is BDI in Angular bracket BDI. So this tag is used to provide isolation for that part of text which may be formatted in different direction from its surrounding text. So this is all about the HTML tag. Thank you.